All parties Hurriyat conference has said that the BJP-led Indian regime is making one after another nefarious attempt to mislead the world community about the ground situation in occupied Kashmir. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that India sometimes blames Pakistan and at times the Hurriyat camp for the worsening situation in the occupied Kashmir to hide its state terrorism, political injustice, and the gross human rights violations. All India Lawyers Association for Justice has strongly condemned the recent amendment to the Waqf Act, terming its implementation bigoted. The lawmaking amendment, which came into effect last week, has sparked widespread protest across India, particularly among the Muslim community. More than 1.14 lakh children are suffering from the malnutrition in occupied Kashmir, a senior government officer revealed while briefing a meeting. Sanjeev Verma, a Social Welfare Department Commissioner Secretary, informed the meeting convened by the occupied Kashmir Chief Secretary Atal Dulo. An Indian Army soldier was injured in a landmine explosion in the Mender area of the Poonch district. The official said that during a routine operation near the Balakot sector in Mender, the soldier accidentally stepped on a landmine, triggering an explosion. Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party has drawn the urgent attention of the United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres to the rapidly worsening political and the human rights situation in the occupied Kashmir. The DFP acting chairman Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, in a letter addressed to the UN chief, highlighted the ongoing human rights violations, including extrajudicial killings, arbitrary detentions, and collective punishment of the civilians by the Indian forces. Mishal Hussain Malik, chairman of the Peace and the Culture Organization, lambasted the Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government for crossing all the limits of barbarism in occupied Kashmir and the weaponization of the Waqf Amendment Act, designed to erase the Muslim identity and loot the religious endowments.